Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes as one of our class highlights from our Tai Chi class, where we're using the Tai Chi Primer Form, the opening, and just going through some basic application for that. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
So, double pump is the double pump to carry the ball, and then we're covering 1 and 2. So it's really a very simple aspect. He throws a straight jab, we're going to cover with a 1. He throws another jab, we're covering with a 2, pull down and strike, right? So you're here and you're here, okay? So you go with that, stepping off the line, 1, 2, right? If he comes the opposite way, it's going to be 1 and 2. You okay with that? So you got carry the ball, 1 and 2. So he shoots the cross, cut my face. I'm going to cover the cross. He comes through here. I'm going to pop it down and strike.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.